Hey there, you! Welcome to Baby Cook That Thang. Today we're making bulgur wheat with minced beef. Bulgur wheat is an awesome rice substitute. It actually has some nutritional value for you. So it's amazing. It's going to be healthy. Give it to your kids, give it to your grandma, eat it and love it. Now, this is a video collaboration with Mike from the Dude's Kitchen and Grill. So be sure you check out his channel, which I'm going to leave in the description. He's awesome. He has amazing food videos. So check it out. Tell him I sent you. Without further ado, let's get to the cooking. Alrighty then, so this recipe calls for 4 medium-sized red onions, or small to medium. We want to get these guys diced, not insanely tiny, but pretty small. So the easiest way to do it is to keep the root end on, then just peel them and start cutting in lengthwise. So as you see, once you turn it around and go the other way, you're gonna have small little dices. So let's get that done. We don't need to see all the onions. Put these bad boys aside. And now you're gonna see this is where the healthy stuff comes in. Healthy is a word I made up. Now, this is zucchini squash. You gotta grate these guys very thin, and that's the secret. No one's gonna know this is in there, guys. You can do whatever you want. Get some carrots in there, get some tomatoes. Ooh, be careful though. Watch your fingers, please don't sue me. Could be a liability, very careful. Get them grated. You don't need to use the thinnest one. This would be just fine as well. So grate them, and then you'll end up with, I'll show you in a second, that size. So that's pretty good. So add some oil to a pot, and this is where we're gonna fry all our veggies. Onions going in. Speed this up. Nobody cares about onions going in a pot. Just mix those bad boys up. Add some salt. As I always mention, salt speeds up the process because it extracts the moisture from the veggies. After about 5 minutes, they'll get translucent, sort of like that. And this is the perfect time to add your zucchini, squash, whatever you call it. People call it different things. And add this and whatever other veggies you want. But for now, we're just gonna do the zucchini because that's healthy enough. We're gonna let these guys go. We're gonna let it fry. Now, beef. The part I've been waiting for. This is about 1 kilo or 2.2 pounds of beef chuck. Fatty, marbly. You can get leaner fat, but I don't think beef fat is unhealthy, but there's a whole debate on that. I'm not gonna get into that. Anyway, mix this up. Let the water evaporate a little bit. You don't need to let it evaporate the whole way through. Just give it a few minutes, then add 2 cups of bulgur wheat. Like I said, very healthy. I'll add some nutritional value in the description for you. This stuff is very good. Let it mix in there. Give it about 2 to 3 minutes to incorporate all the flavors. And after that, you want to go add some chicken stock, which for some stupid reason, I forgot to get footage of. But trust me, it's in there. This is homemade. You can get store-bought chicken stock, but that'll kind of negate the whole healthy thing we're going for here. So you can add water though. I've made this with water and it was really good because it still gets the beef flavor. So don't worry about it too much. Anyway, get it to a simmer. Then let it go for about 5, 10, 15 minutes. Actually, not 5. What am I talking about? About 10 to 15 minutes. You'll know when it's ready. It's soft. Okay, let's give this a try. I am freaking starving. This is what we're working with. Close up. And this is what's going in our mouth. Oh my good Lord Almighty. Oh, good. Mother of Christ. I'm sorry to people that I offended. I cannot control myself. You cannot control yourself when you eat something like this. Listen, everyone you're gonna make this for is gonna love this. You make this for your kids, they're not even gonna notice the veggies inside. That's why it's so good. Why would you eat rice? Are you an idiot? Why would you eat rice when you have bulgur wheat? Bulgur wheat is 10 times healthier, and this tastes so good. You must be out of your mind. Throw away the rice. Throw away the pasta. Make bulgur wheat, unless you're making one of the rice or pasta recipes that are on my channel. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified whenever I upload another one of these. And please, if you can, let me know in the comment section below if you are planning on making this. Or if not, why not? All right, until next time, baby cook that thing. Bye-bye.